Hey everyone, I'm here to provide a video testimonial for Consistent Cart. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. It's a super easy to install application. Before using Consistent Cart, we were just using the Shopify abandoned cart email. I don't think we recovered a single cart using that method, and I think the reason is because a lot of our visitors aren't able to have their emails captured. And so what Consistent Cart does is that there's a pop-up that shows up when somebody tries to add something to the cart and asking for their email address. So it is a little bit more intrusive, so you'll have to decide whether or not that's something you want for your customers, but it does maximize the email capture rate. So with Consistent Cart, we've been sending out a lot of emails, and that's so far been proving effective. We've gotten a couple of carts that were captured, and so because we are a small store, it's not a lot depending on the kind of volume you get. And for us, the monthly cost does pay for itself. And so I think, I would highly recommend this to, other store owners. Definitely try it out. They do have a free trial. It takes about 30 minutes to set up. There's no coding required. And I think it's a great way to learn more about your customers. You can see what they put into their cart, reach out to them to see if they're still interested, and then hopefully, recover a few carts as well. So the cool thing is that you're targeting customers that are already interested in your product. They've already added it to your cart. So I think, these are definitely customers that are valuable to your store. So highly recommend it. At least give it a try and see how it goes.